Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you how to use the AutoBlog iframe extension plugin manually for manual posts that were generated by you, not by my automatic plugins. So this plugin usually is used with auto-blogging plugins that I created, and it will automatically switch up the post content that it imports with an iframe that contains the original source of the article that other plugins imported. So this is how it works, but this can be also used manually to manually create your posts and to display iframes in them using this plugin. So let me show you how to do this. So first of all, you have to have the iframe plugin enabled, and now we can go to posts, add new, and here we can make a test post. And after this, so we can go ahead and add some test content, and now we will have to add some custom fields. If you don't have these custom fields visible, you should click on the menu here and move myself here out of the way and click on options, and here you should select the custom fields option here, and you will be able to see also here in Gutenberg the custom fields that I'm seeing. So enter new and write here manual underscore post underscore URL, and here on the post URL you should add the URL that you wish to embed. So let's say I want to embed my website coderevolution.ro and add the URL here in the value section, and click add custom field, publish. And now if we will view this post, not the test content that you entered will appear, but the iframe of the URL that you have added here in the manual post URL custom post meta field. So here we view the test post we created, and instead of the test content we will see an iframe with the website that we have added. So yeah, this is all for this tutorial. So this is how you will be able to use the AutoBlog iframe extension plugin manually. And yeah, thank you for staying until the end of this video. I hope it was helpful, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe. It is really appreciated. And this is all. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye bye.